Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is, it's Jayden. You know we back at it like an addict, no rehab. You know I'm addicted to giving you guys advice. Yeah, as y'all can see by the thumbnail, it's a 2014 Dodge Avenger. Y'all know y'all gotta watch to the end to see the price. You know, not giving y'all the price up front no more. Y'all gonna have to do a little work, watch a little bit of the video, watch support. I know y'all probably looking at it like, dang, that car is in rough shape. Not really. You know, it's a 2014 clean title. You know, it's really just the bumper just hanging because, the person. So straighten that up, headlight, put a new fender on there. And they did a pre-sale inspection. I guess is what they made. I don't know, but it does need a detail. Has good tires and rims. A good detail, a good buff and wax on the detail. Little wax, throw a little wax. Cause like the paint and stuff ain't chipped. It ain't like faded or nothing. Like there's no blemishes with the paint, but the interior is really, really dirty. So like look at that, interior is really dirty. But it's all good though. It's got the good 3.6 in there. We about to go drive and make sure he got all his gears. Good still. Drive and make sure he's got all his gears. And then we'll go ahead and, take it to Wilson. Go find a little passenger headlight. Maybe Wilson got one from a car that he worked on before that somebody put 2 new headlights in. You never know. I don't know if I actually even need them. It's shaping up to be a nice day outside. Day's pretty nice. Let's go drive it. There's no check engine lights. It's not even an airbag light on. Usually. Yeah, just checking. Let's see if the compressor kicking in for some A's to the C. Okay, compressor kicked in. But there you go. Took a minute to switch over. Okay, AC working, but the person who owned this car, it stinks. Let's make sure. Trying to make that. You got the bumper held on by a little bit. We ain't gonna be going too fast. We just want to go gears. Okay, got 1 shift. 2 shifts. See how the alignment is. Let's see. Okay, alignment's like a little, like it ain't too bad. It ain't even really off though. It's like off by a little bit, but ain't nothing too crazy. That's all we need to see. We got the gears. So we got the gears. We got up to about 40. So we know we can do 50, 60, but we're not gonna do it until, so we don't really know how good really the alignment truly is until, we actually get it fixed and we get that 50 and 60 piece going out there. But it's all right. I might not even need my brother. I might just see, because I know he needs it. It's cool. It's 2014. I can get 4,500 out of it. $5,000. Finance it up, maybe get a little bit more, maybe $6-7 grand. Fresh oil change. Tires are good. Fresh detail. easily, I mean, easily 45, easy little 4,500, $4,000 little cash in my pocket. You know, nothing too crazy. Yeah, just like I said, yeah, you're gonna drop this thing out to Wilson. Then from Wilson, like my truck is already there. I don't know if y'all know my truck is already there too. So y'all know my truck is already there too. But yeah, we're gonna go do one last walk around so y'all can see what we got. But yeah, they ain't got no check engine lights. This is still a clean title. It's not salvaged or rebuilt. Really, I mean, no really body damage, no really bad little body scratches that can't really be like those scratches, little scratches, but those probably can be buffed out. It's already got the tint on there. It's good buff and wash and wax on the wheels. You know, it's really just a fender. It's really all it is. Fender. Hook the headlight back, go get a headlight. EA Sports win the game. Really it, just a fender. Just fixing the fender and lining it up and throwing a headlight in there. In the comment section below. Well, cause y'all gonna see what I paid for it at the end. So y'all gonna see in the comments. Let me know. Did I pay a good price for it? Also, let me know. How much would you sell it for? You know, it's a 2014, 160,000 on the miles. The black book on it, like the black book retail is like 73, I believe, 70. It might be more than that. Don't make me, but I know I looked at the black book retail. Black book retail is like 78. You know, that's clean retail. When I get done with it, it's gonna be clean. So. But yeah, we might as well go ahead and take this to Wilson. No, why procrastinate? Take this, get this and the truck done, get them both done. If you can have them both done at the same time, pick them both up, take them both to the detail shop. Boom, now it's 2 cars ready to go. Money, money, money. So then we can sell this. We can sell the truck for like $775. Sell this one about $45. And that's what? That's $12,000. If y'all get, or even if I go 7 and 4, even if I go 7 and 4, still 11. Even if it goes averaged out to 6 and 4, or, you know, average out to 5 and 5, you know, but the truck gonna bring money. So that's 2 vehicles. 2 vehicles. As y'all see, I paid $1,000 for this one, $1,300 for the truck. You know, 13. So, and then probably, let's say, $1,000 for this one, $13 for the truck. Let's say if I gotta pay Wilson $1,000 for both, $1,000 to fix both. But I was fixing some, so like $1,000 to fix both. So that's what, $3,300. $3,300. I'm gonna just say a smooth 30. I'm gonna say a smooth 3,500 after just say everything like detail and oil change and all that stuff. So smooth 3,500 on both vehicles. I already revealed to y'all what I paid for the car, but still y'all see it at the end. But I paid $1,000 for it if y'all watch this long. That's cool. But so that's 35 and 102 vehicles. 35 to make 12. 12 make you a profit of, you know, 7,500, 8,000, whatever, 8,500. That's a good profit. You can't beat those profits. But I appreciate y'all rocking with me. If y'all haven't already, you know, like this video, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.